This preschool learning activities book was kindly gifted to me and has been such a great hands-on learning tool for my 4-year-old son. It includes 52 reusable style activity pages focused on tracing, writing practice, and early preschool skills, which makes it perfect for young learners. I really like how this works as a busy book. It keeps little hands engaged while helping build fine motor skills, letter control, and confidence with early writing. The activities feel age-appropriate and structured, but still fun, so kids don't feel like they're doing worksheets. It's especially helpful for pre-K and kindergarten readiness, and is also a great option for kids who benefit from repetition and clear visual guidance. The pages are easy to follow, and the book is simple to take along for car rides, appointments, or quiet time at home. Overall, this is a practical, well-designed learning workbook that supports early writing skills in a way that feels approachable and engaging for young kids.